If you can hear me clearly, please kindly type 1. If you can't hear me clearly, please kindly type 2. Thank you for your kindly cooperation. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Paper Laser Living Show will begin soon. First, I will test the voice. Can you hear me? If you can hear me clearly, kindly please type 1. If you can't hear me clearly, please kindly type 2. Thank you for your kindly cooperation. Can you hear me clearly? If you can hear, please kindly type 1. Okay. Okay, I say, can you hear me? Okay, hello. Hello everyone. Welcome to Paper Laser Living Show. I'm Candy from Paper Laser. Today is my great honor to take this opportunity. Can you hear me? I see some people have entered to our living show now. Can you hear me clearly? If you can hear clearly, kindly please type 1. If you can't hear me clearly, kindly please type 2. Okay, let's start. Today I will introduce our company and mission to you. I hope you will enjoy the 2 hours with us. If in the process, if you can't hear me clearly, kindly please remind me. Thank you for your cooperation. Now I will begin my introduction. Okay. Paper Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser machinery since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the machine field. Okay, let me have a look. You can see this is our office building, and in our office there are many different departments, college are working. Our main products include laser marking machine, a laser engraving machine, a laser weighting machine, etc. More than 20 serials, 300 types. All the machines have got CE, ISO, ROS certificate, and certificated by the International Inspection Institute, such as TUV and SGS. We have got 33 national patents. Technical achievements can reach an international advanced level. If you have any questions about our company, you can send me questions in the living showroom. Okay, as the result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and regions. We have got a good reputation from our customers all over the world. Now we have a talent team. Above 95 of our teammates are a bachelor or master degree. We can provide 2 hours quicker response and 24 hours after sales service to customers worldwide. Our goal is very simple, to sell their high-valued products at good price and provide reliable customer service to you. My dear friend, please subscribe our channel by clicking the see. This is our building, the entrance. Okay, this is our company. Today, I will introduce our hot soldering, 3D laser creaser, and glass engraving machine for you. Okay, you can see we mainly have three models in our factory. They are model PDP A1 and model PDP A2, model PDP C1. Okay, this is our model PDP A2. This kind of machine mainly used to engrave crystal glass inside the 3D effective pictures. Now I can show you a sample like this. You can see inside the crystal there is a rose inside, and inside of the ball, the picture is made with our 3D laser engraving machine. Can you see clearly? It's very beautiful. It's like a real flower inside in a bowl. No matter say from any direction, it looks 3D effective, like a runny flower. And this one. So you can see laser global Earth in a ball, inside the ball. No matter say from any direction, is 3D effective. Just like another ball inside the materials inside. And this kind of product can show to your customers together with the lighter seat, like this. Like this. And if there is a lighter, okay, let me show. If there is lighter from the bottom to the upper inside the bowl, and this bowl will look very beautiful. And this kind of a crystal can be sent to your friends and put in your at your home as a decoration. It's very delicate. Okay. Okay. Beside the bowl, and they also can mark this kind of square crystal materials. Okay, you can see inside there is a car inside it. The car inside this material also done with our 3D laser engraving machine. It's just like a real car covered into these materials. Very beautiful. And this can send it to your children, send it to friends, families at any holidays or festival. It's very popular. Here there is a horse inside the material. No matter say from any direction, it's horse just like a real horse inside the cables. Okay. Now let's begin. Let's continue. Introduce our machine. So as you see, it can make a good design. A special gift. Nowadays, more and more people like this memorable special gift. So this machine can help to make such gift. If you have any questions, kindly please write in the living showroom and I will give you answer. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Okay, so if you would like to invest a small business, this machine will be very valuable and payback soon. If you want to know more about this machine, such as how the machine looks, the details, the application, if you want, kindly write your questions in the living show, and we will give you answer and solutions.
啥？
否则呢？
按这个去，按这个去，
按下去。
就是它屏幕如果锁了的话，你按一下点亮，再按一下就可以回到最好。
啊，我刚才进到那个相机页面。
不要。
相机页面也是按一下吗？
对。异形不行，就是多按两下。
嗯，好。Okay, sorry. I just leave tonight. Okay, you can see this is our model, PDP A2. Okay. Okay, now let's have a look at the configurations about the machine. The machine made of the software and the hardware. Software we offer professional engraving software, and together with machine we will offer software training video, and you can learn how to use the machine quickly. You can see on the back side there are many the arrows to release the heater of the machine, so the machine is very durable to use. This is the motor of the machine. And you can see this is the inside the structure of the machine, and you can see this machine. You can see the work table is very durable to use because it's made of the heavy steel ball screw. Okay. Besides, except for those samples I just showed before, and you can see there are many other different pictures you can engrave inside of the crystal. Like this kind of ladies, beautiful ladies. Like this, and the little baby inside the kitchen. This material is a smaller kitchen crystal. Inside of the crystal can engrave your little baby inside. It's a good memory. Okay, like this. I just showed a seminar one crystal ball inside the picture, and a binocular picture. A binocular ball can put a light base, and to make the ball very shiny, very beautiful. And it's kind of reward after activities, and this kind of gift. Also very widely used. Many different kind of shapes of crystal. Our machine can direct engrave. And if you don't know how to where to buy this kind of crystal, we also, if you buy our machine together with the machine, we also can, we also have this kind of materials, so together with the machine. Okay. Some customers ask how to use this kind of machine and what kind of industry to use this kind of machine. 2D or 3D in three-dimensional pattern engraving, crystal, glass, and acrylic transparent materials can be carved pictures inside, a sub-service picture, name, photo, prints, and other personalized gift, but also mass production of 2D and 3D animals, plants, buildings, vehicles, shapes, aircrafts, and other models of products under 3D center display. This kind of machine is widely used in urban scenic sports, photo printing shop, wedding, tourism, and personalized gift shop. This kind of machine can engrave on crystal, glass, acrylic, decoration materials, and other transparent materials. Okay, let's look at the product details. It's an integral structural floor equipment. And this is the platform of the machine, and is the platform is movable and is adopt imported stable aluminum material special platform, special used for engraving heavy loading. So you can here you can put very large materials. And about the engraving size of the machine of this model, PDP-A2. The size is okay. Let me say the size is 400 length, 300 width, and 120 height. If you want want larger, bigger, and you can choose our the biggest model, PDP A1, and the size is larger than A2. And the A1 size is 400 millimeter and 320 millimeter, 150 millimeter. Okay, you can have a compression. Now we can have a look at our machine working. Okay. Inside of the machine, you can see the work table. Together with the machine and also can use the 3D camera is suitable for various 3D series data measured by using a color structured light measurement principle and can be extracted from the 3D series state within 0.5 seconds. It can be widely used in large scale measurement of 3D objects and 3D portrait crystal engraving system and face shooting. This system is more often equipped with a 3D laser engraving machine. Currently, our 3D laser engraving machine inside our software lays 2D transfer 3D professional software. So this operational item is not needed. It's not a must. It's very convenient to director use 2D to 3D software. It's free. It's free for our customer to use our professional software. Okay, if you have any questions about our machine or about our company service, you can for free to write inside the living show and I will give you answer. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Okay, this is our promotion activity. If you order above $3,000 and we can give you discount 100 USD. And if you can order 3,000 USD and we can give you 50 discount, 50 USD as a discount. Okay. Okay, now let's introduce of a 3D crystal, another laser engraving machine, another model is model PDP C1. And this machine, you can say is a smaller machine. the difference with the A is A or A1 or A2. The difference is in the working table, the size. This one is smaller. And its size is 100 length 100 millimeter, length 100 millimeter, width 100 millimeter, the height. Okay, about the machine, Okay, the sample. Sample is same with the model P, DP, A2. Labels can do the same job. Inside this material, this one can be made with our model PDP C1, and because this material is not very big. It's a very cute Christmas Day gift. Okay, this is our model PDP C1, and you can choose according to your cursor size you want to mark. Okay, the working arrow size of the PDP C1 is 100 millimeter and 100 millimeter the size, and you can choose according to your cursor size you want to mark. Okay, if you have any questions, kindly please write me in the living shoe, and I will give you answer. Inside of the machine, and you can have a look. The work table we adopter imported a stable aluminum material special platform. This special used for engraving heavy loading materials. So it's stable. It's very stable. Okay, today this machine is a 3D laser engraving machine. and it's mainly used to engrave inside picture under inside the crystal, glass, acrylic, this kind of transparent materials. Inside it engraved inside of the materials, and the picture like a real rose. You can see. No matter see from any direction, and you can see it's 3D effective. It's very beautiful. Our machine is used to make this kind of gift, this kind of products. It's very popular gift. Do you like it? Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay, patent is machine warranty. This machine, we can give you 24 months, 2 years our warranty of the quality warranty is 2 years. If you have interest or any questions about our machine, there's three models. You can send me the questions in the living showroom so that we can give you answer. These three models, the main difference in working arrow size. The largest one is the PDP A1. Its working arrow size is 400 millimeter, 20 millimeter. Wider than 150 millimeter the height. And the focus length of this model A1 is 120, so that you can engrave very large materials. Is simple to operate. And also model PDP A2. This model, the size is very similar with A1. A2, the size is 400 millimeter. This 300 millimeter, wider 120 millimeter height. So it's also very simple to operate. And the portable size is model PDP C1. This model, working arrow size is 100 millimeter. This wider is 100 millimeter. Height is 120 millimeter. Machine, the structure is like this. Professional engraving software, and we together with the machine we send a training video and the machine manual. You can quickly learn how to use it. It's very simple. About this kind of machine, it has a high speed. The working speed is just 1 to 2 millimeter. 2 minutes for engraving or 50 millimeter 80 millimeter size creosote, very suitable to a tourism resort because it has now high speed. This kind of machine have good engraving quality. Engraving materials high resolution. The pattern of engraving is exquisite, crystal clean and strong, 3D effective. Okay, we can have a look. It's loose. Have a good effective. Okay, this is the sample of this machine can do. This picture is not on the surface of the material. It's the inside of the material. It has the 3D effective subsurface of the material. It's a very good gift to your friend, families. Okay, also like this kind of artworks. I think this small kitchen is very cute. And the inside of the kitchen, our machine can make a baby photos inside the crystal. Okay, this kind of machine can engrave what kinds of shape of materials, what kinds of shape. Like this kind of bowl shape, round shape. And this kind of square shape. Okay, you can see the work table of the machine inside the machine, and we put this material on the platform, and our machine can direct engrave inside. It's very simple to operate. Okay, if you have any questions, you can write in our living show and we can give you answer. We have these many laser engraving machine models, and you can choose according to your material size. The largest one is model PDP-A1, and the second large is model PDP-A2. Okay, if you have any inquiry about our machine, kindly please send it to us directly. Okay, this engraving machine engrave sub-surface picture inside the materials, the transparent materials, many in crystal. So it is kind of job. Inside of this ball is rose. It's very beautiful. No matter say from any direction, and you can say the rose is like a real runny rose. And also this kind of square shape. If you have any questions, kindly free to send me. This model is the smaller model, smaller model working video. Okay, you can see. You can see this picture. And it's the movement platform. It adopts imported stable aluminum material special platform. So it can be used for engraving very heavy materials. You can see the bearing of the needle guide roll is face to face. Using the precision is high for long time. It's very durable, good quality design. This one is the motto of the machine. It ensures the possibility of realizing extreme precise position, make a moving position, machinism operate smoothly. The quality is very good. The machine guide, the bearing of the needle guide roll is face to face. Okay, if you have any interest in any of our models, you can send us inquiry. These three models have different engraving size, different working arrow, so you can choose according to your work. Okay, have a look at our company inside. We have a professional work team, so you can get a timely service from us. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser machinery since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the machine field. Our main products include laser marking machine, laser engraving machine, laser welding machine, etc. More than 20 serials, 300 types machine. All the machines have got a free ISO, TUV, and those certificates. We are certificated by the International Inspection Institute such as TUV, SGS. We have got 63 national patents. The technical achievements can reach the international advanced level. Our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and areas. We have got a good reputation from our customers all over the world. If you have any demand on our machine, you can freely send your inquiry to our company. We will give you answer in the first time. Okay, today we introduce the laser engraving machine. This kind of machine is used to make a sub-service gift of the crystal. The picture of the picture is not engraved. It's not engraved on the surface of the material. It's inside of the. It's inside subsurface of the materials. It's inside the materials. Okay, you can see this. This 3D laser engraving machine, the working speed is very fast. Just 1 to 2 millimeters can mark 50 millimeter and 50 millimeter 80 height size crystal. Do this just just use around 2 millimeters. Very fast working speed. And this kind of bowl shape also can work on. Inside of this material is a rose. No matter from which direction to see, is 3D effective. It's 3D effective. Very beautiful. So this kind of product is a very good gift to children, to families, to friends. You can put this at home. It's a very good gift. Okay, we can have a look at the machine structure. Together with the machine, we will send you the professional engraving software and software training video, so you can easily to operate the machine in short time. Our machine with 2D to 3D professional software, so that you don't need to buy 3D camera to take picture. Directly use the software to transfer 2D picture to 3D, so you can then director work on crystal materials. It's very fast, save your time. Inside of this bowl is you can see it's a mat. And below this bowl can use this light base. Just now is this smaller model. We have 3 models. They are different working arrow size. All of these 3 models, we send a professional software training video, so customer can use machine very simple. This model is very popular with our customers. Its working arrow size is 400 millimeter, and it's 400 millimeter, 300 millimeter, and 120 millimeter. If you have any question about this model, kindly ask us so we can give you answer. This model, the working arrow size. Let me show you. It's 400 millimeter, 300 millimeter, and 120 millimeter. You can talk to us in details so that we can offer you more information about our machine. And if you don't know how to choose machine, we can give you professional advice. you can see it works very fast speed. Let's have a look at the largest model. This model is very beautiful. This model is our most popular model. Its working arrow size is 400 mm, 300 mm, 120 mm. Okay, now let's end our living show. If you have any questions, just contact us. So, goodbye.